Hi people, how are you? My name is Adrielli and today I will teach us how to do origami. First, we will need a square paper. Now, we will fold the paper in all directions, diagonal, horizontal and vertical. After, we gather the folds doing a square. We fold the lower tips in center and we go up, forming a diamond. Repeat all the process on the other side. We fold the tips in the center again and repeat the process in the other side. Attention! Now we open one side and fold the tip up, close, and adjust with the line. Repeat the same process on the other side. We lower at the wings and fold one side, doing the head. Finish. This is our origami. I wait you have liked it and learned. Bye bye.